Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a custom carving. This is actually a subscriber request. It wasn't on the list of requests, but I really got inspired to want to create this and shoot a video for you guys. So be sure to stick around and check it out. Going to be doing a custom carving. We're going to be carving a chainsaw out of this block of wood. Now, I've got my MS 441 mag over there all set up. That's basically what I want this to look like. This is a piece of catalpa wood, so it's a little more dense than the pine, but it usually carves really nice. I've carved it in the past when I did that heron video, and it finishes well and it carves nice, and I think that would be the best route. So the plan is turn this into a chainsaw with the bar stuck into a block of wood. Obviously it's not going to be full size. We're going to scale it down so we can make everything fit in here. Hopefully we can get a lot of detail with the Saburrtooth burrs and all that stuff, but we'll see what happens. Now I've been messaging with a guy from the UK. He's just learning to carve, and really, I mean, I've seen these done before and I've had the idea kicking around, but I just never, just wanted to go for it. Well, he got talking about it and asked if I would do it, and he beat me to the punch. He went, I'll put some pictures up right here, you guys can check them out while I talk, but he went ahead, beat me to the punch, and he carved one up in like a day or two and got it all finished, and I think he did a really great job, so give him a little awesome love down below, for the work that he's doing. And it's good stuff, it is. It's great to see the work and improvements that everybody's making that's learning to carve. This is for you, buddy. I'll do my best. Now, I haven't carved a chainsaw, but I carve with them a lot, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully you guys won't go anywhere. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't already. Well guys, now we got this block. I'm gonna go ahead and just try to rough out what I want the saw to look like. Well guys, there's a quick sketch on the wood. I'm gonna go ahead and fire the saw back up and start roughing it in. still got quite a bit to do. I'm not going to take too much more from the bar width-wise quite yet. I am going to trim it down this way so I can get the chain brake lever all figured out. We also got to narrow this handle if we look at it here, but I had to make it wide enough so we can have that lower piece, right? So we're going to need to notch this in and around. Got to work on a little shaping here. We'll have to punch through for the handle, round the saw over, and start, you know, detailing it, getting it closer. But I mean, we're getting there. It's starting to look like a chainsaw. Well guys, I think it's looking pretty good. Pop this thing out. Looking like a chainsaw, right? Pretty cool. So, I'm gonna have to put it down different, I believe. I want to try to get the dogs in here and see what I can do about the exhaust. I got a little bit of an overcut here. It's gonna goof things up, but we'll see what happens. See what we can do to make it work. I also want to hollow out for the handle. I actually want to put the space in there, which is a little scary because it might just break. So who knows? We'll see. We'll get those things cleaned up though, and I don't know. I might even trim that bar down just a little bit more. Then we'll get out the Saburrtooth bits and start cleaning it up. Start getting some more detail in it. It's looking pretty cool. I think it's about time for a commercial break though, so we're gonna go to a commercial in a minute, but be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you guys haven't already. Also check out the description below. I got t-shirts made up through Teespring, some custom designs. You can also buy my work through the Etsy store. Go there, see what I've got available, and yeah, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Alright guys, welcome back. I got the saw clamped in the jaw horse. I'm going to try to carefully work on cutting this piece out here for the dogs and punching through for the handle. Now this is going to be a little tight here, but we'll see. We might have to move it again. A little tricky here. Well guys, I think that's it for the chainsaw work. I'm going to bust out the die grinders with the Saburrtooth bits, and we're going to kick this in some really high speed and, well, get this detail work finished up. got really going and forgot the pull cord. There should be a pull cord over here. What are you gonna do, right? Maybe we'll try for another one. We got steel down the bar. Probably won't do any color on this. This will probably end up getting sanded once it dries out. Put a little finish on it and I'll call it a day. I want to thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Check out some videos popping up, and I'll see you guys next time.